Welcome back to my channel UK Knowledge Guru. Today we will discuss how much you have to pay UK healthcare fees, IHS fees. What's happening? Many applicants have their old videos and they don't know how much to pay for the fees for the IHS because in 2023 the fees was different and there are loads of videos on social care website which giving a confusion. So this is the link. I'll show you this link in big screen. You can see this link www.gov.uk/healthcare immigration application/how much pay. I'll put that link in the description as well. So when you will click this link, you will come to this page. This is the page where you will come and you can see that calculate your immigration health surcharge. Are you applying alone? Coming to the UK with dependents, applying to join somebody, a main applicant in the UK. So if you are applying from outside the UK, you can see this, like you can come to this page and for example, you're applying with dependent, okay? Or yeah, you're coming to the UK with dependent. So we'll do the calculation for that. You will click next. How many dependents are traveling with you in the UK? So you can put like two kids, so 3 people, including your wife and including you. So that's how many dependents are traveling with you. So you will put 3. So that's 2 kids and your wife. Okay. Click next. So are you currently in the UK? So if you bringing your dependent to the UK and you are already in the UK, we will take that consideration. So are you applying to stay in Ireland? No. Your nationality. So we can put India over here, for example. Which visa route you are applying for. So you will select skilled worker visa. So for example, in this case, we'll go for skilled worker visa. So you have all these categories. Dependent. So you won't select dependent. You will select skilled worker because what is your visa route? So which visa? If you are inside the UK on skilled worker visa, you will select that. Okay. Graduate dependent, that's also different. Post-study work visa, we don't have anymore. Startup we have. So we'll select skilled worker in this case. What is your visa type? So skilled worker shortage, skilled worker occupation shortage, 5 years or 5 years. So for example, most of the applicant got 5 years visa. So what is your date of birth? You can select, for example, 01 and you can put 1980, for example. Okay. What is your work start date? You can put, so we'll select this date, for example. That's your work start date. You can put future date. So we'll go May, for example. What is your work end date? So you can add another like few years to it. So 2000, so 5 years we'll put 5 years. Okay. So about your dependent nationalities, all 3 of your dependents are same nationality as me. So they are all coming from India. So they all got Indian nationality. I know it's confusing that it's asking for everyone, but in many cases, it sometimes do happen that the dependents have different nationalities. So some of them already, like if the child born in US, then they will get US. So now this is the fees. So this will calculate automatically and this will give you the exact figure. So your IHS is 5,175, dependent 1 5,175, dependent 2 5,701 and the 3. So altogether total dependent fees will be 20,700 if 4 people are coming to UK for IHS if they have to pay. So this is how you do the calculation and this is the only best way. Don't believe on any videos on Instagram or any other videos because they are all creating confusion for everyone. So they are all outdated, so do not follow them. If you have any questions, you can feel free to ask. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook or WhatsApp. You can message us.